the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is a pickup truck powered by a V6 4.3-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This pickup truck, with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 18 miles per gallon. This Chevrolet features cruise control and tilt wheel. Safety features include side airbags, traction control, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power steering and air conditioning. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Titusville Chrysler Jeep Dodge, a Carfax Advantage dealer.